Hey guys, what is good? Welcome back for another video. So we're 2 weeks into semen retention, baby. Feeling pretty fucking amazing. I really didn't expect the benefits to be this incredible. I was pretty skeptical going in, but my energy is way up. My confidence is way up. My productivity is way up. It's been a pretty amazing experience so far. However, in the last couple weeks, I have wanted to cave. Those urges have been pretty strong in these last, I guess it was just the last week. However, I have still abstained, and I wanted to share some of the tricks and tips that are the tips and tricks, not the tricks and tips, that I've been using that have helped me not spill my seed, and hopefully will help you as well. So let's just get straight into it. The first one is to have someone to hold you accountable. So I have you, I have YouTube, I have the internet holding me accountable, and that's been a huge help because I don't want to have to make the video saying that I relapse and have to talk about that. And for you, a thing that I used to do that was really helpful is place a bet with one of my friends who also struggled with holding on to his seed. Like, hey bro, let's bet 20 bucks, see who can go longer. And then each day you kind of check in with each other. That's a big one. Or you can just tell one of your friends like, hey man, I'm trying to hold on to my seed for the next 30 days. If I don't do it, I'll give you 50 bucks or I'll clean your house, and your friend's gonna be like, fuck yeah. So that's a great way to do it. The second one is to remove all the temptations. So Instagram is a huge one for me because it's basically softcore porn. It is just a bunch of thotties showing their bodies on the explore page. And once you click one, Instagram knows and just starts showing you a whole bunch. I know you guys know this. So what I do is delete the app from my phone. I also do this because it's a huge increase in productivity. I don't procrastinate by scrolling social media, and it keeps me away from fapping. So remove those distractions, TikTok, Instagram. Certain shows on Netflix can make you want to fap too. So stay off your technology at night, 2 hours before you go to bed. Do not go on your phone. Do not go on your laptop. Those are prime fapping times. Read a book. Go for a run, go for a walk, spend some time outside, do some meditation, anything to keep your mind off of fapping. The third one is to schedule your day. Okay guys, this is a really important one, and it not just schedule in your mind, but actually write it down in a notebook. I need to work out today, I need to go to the grocery store today, I need to trim my beard, I need to read, I need to meditate. Because every time your mind wants to go into that lazy, I don't know what to do next state, that's when you fall into all the destructive habits. That's when you eat junk food, that's when you watch Netflix, that's when you go on social media. I'm not saying a little bit of these things isn't bad, or like you can give in sometimes, but for the most part you don't want to give in to these things, especially if you're trying to become successful as a man, especially if you're trying to reach your goals. So having that list of priorities, every time your mind goes into that, wants to go to that lazy state, like what am I gonna do with the rest of my day, you check that list and you get back to doing your tasks, and that will keep your mind off fapping, because you're not gonna be in the middle of the grocery store paying for your food and have that urge. Even if you have the urge, you're not gonna fap, or you're not gonna fap when you're doing a set of bench press, right? So that's a huge one. All right, the last one, we're gonna make this video short and sweet, is to remind yourself, this has been major for me, so huge, how shitty it makes you feel after you fap, right? So when you fap and you spill your seed and you feel so lousy and you feel weak and you lose your energy and you feel like a loser, you look in the mirror, you see a chump in the reflection. It's a shitty feeling. And when you remind yourself of how bad that feeling is and how it lowers your confidence and makes you shy around women and makes you feel lazy, and that like fapping leads into doing other lazy activities. Like you fap and then you go eat a pizza and you binge Netflix, you know. But when you have that energy from not fapping, this is another thing to remind yourself of, is how good you feel when you don't fap. You have that raise in confidence, that raise in testosterone, that raise in your energy levels. And when you are at that peak state, you want to do productive things, because your mind doesn't just want to sit around and do nothing. You want to work on your goals, you want to hit the gym, you want to you want to go meet a woman or you know, hang out with your girlfriend because you're feeling good, you know. So always remind yourself of how shitty, how weak, how just terrible it makes you feel to fap, and then remind yourself of all the incredible benefits of not fapping, the masculine energy it gives you, it keeps you healthy, it makes you look healthy, it makes you feel healthy, you have more energy, it's far more attractive to women. You just feel like a fucking man. You feel like you should at all times. All right, gentlemen, that's it for this one. If you enjoyed it, make sure to drop this video a like, share it with your friends, and if you're new, subscribe to the channel. My new upload schedule will be Monday, Wednesday, Friday, covering semen retention, masculinity, self-development, all that good shit. So I hope to see each and every one of you in the next video. And until next time, much love. Take care, guys.